Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to install texture packs in a Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.15.0 on Android. So as a lot of you probably already know by now, 0.15.0 added support for texture packs for all versions, not just Android. It added support, but it's really basic. So if you go under your texture pack settings right here, you can see you only have 2 available texture packs, and they're both texture packs that you have to pay for. Now, on Android, luckily, there is a way where you can load your own custom texture packs, so of course that's what I'm going to be showing you, and I'm going to be showing you 2 different methods to do this. I'm going to be showing you the easy way and the manual, difficult way that most people would have to do it before the easy way. So, the easy way, mod locator for MCPE, there's a link for it down in the description. It's on the Google Play Store. There's actually 2 links. If you don't have the Google Play Store, there actually is a APK link down in the description. You can get that, and it does have like an auto-updating feature and stuff built into the app. If you have the Google Play Store, I definitely recommend the Google Play Store version over the APK, but pick whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. The latest version, and if you already have this app, make sure that it is updated. The latest version does add support for importing into 0.15.0, so let's just go to TexturePacks 0.15.0 or 0.15.x textures, and currently there's only 2 because for this to work, it has to be designed for 0.15.0. It can't be designed for like Blocklauncher or MCPE masters. So currently, there's only 2. There's Faithful and Flourish PE. So click on Flourish. You can see there's some pictures here, just showing you what this one looks like. Go ahead, click install. It'll download. It's downloading a zip file. It's going to extract it into the correct directory. It has to make the directory, which is really easy to do. Then it has to set up the correct file structure, and then once that's done, it should be able to be recognized by Pocket Edition. So let's make sure MCPE is closed. Go to our settings, manage, and you can see Flourish is there on the side. Do that. Once it's enabled, you do have to close out of the game. That won't be how it is in the final release for texture packs, but currently that's what you have to do. Unfortunately, also, it does take a little bit longer to start the game up. Now, I found out that it does actually load a little bit quicker when you don't use a zip file. If you extract the zip file instead of plopping the zip file in the right folder, it does load a little bit quicker. So that's what mod locator for MCPE does. It does extract that zip file. So let's go ahead and load up a world. And you can see the Flourish texture pack is loaded and is working properly. Everything looks good, and we're not using Blocklauncher or MCPE masters. That's really cool and all. But let's say you wanted to import your own texture pack. Let's say you had one on your device that you wanted to import. Maybe you're making one. Who knows? So let's see. Let's click on this button right up here at the top, import texture. So what that's going to do, it's going to start up a file browser on your device. Currently, it opens it up to the downloads directory. That's the default. So downloads folder right there, because I'm assuming that's where most of them are going to be at. But since mine isn't in there, I'm going to hit the up button, go up to the previous folder, and you can see that is just the SD card directory on my phone. So we have Faithful PE right at the top because it's only going to display folders and zip files, because that's all that's supported is zip files, and of course you have to know where your folders are at. So zip files go straight to the top, so let's just click on that and let it install. Really fast, actually. It has to extract it, like I said before, set up the correct file structure, and once that's done, it should be set. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. Open up MCPE. Probably going to take a little bit to start it up, and actually I think Faithful will be set as default, not because of anything I did, but because the resource packs txt file that defines what texture packs you're using is really screwy right now. So if I go here, yeah, Faithful is enabled. I don't know why, but if you look at that file, it shows you the selected texture packs in that resource packs txt file. I'll show you here in a second, but it leaves the top slot blank. Not really sure what the deal is. So Faithful got selected, but I'm sure if you wanted to use Flourish, you can set that as your texture pack still. So let's go ahead and just load it up and see how it looks. There we go. Faithful PE has been set. That is your texture pack. Really quick to do it that way. Mod locator for MCPE does everything that it needs to, and it does it, like you could see, it did it just in a few seconds. So that's the easiest way to do it. But let's say you wanted to do it on your own. Maybe for whatever reason you don't like my app, or you just are curious. Who knows what the reason is, but let's go ahead and give that a shot. So really quick, I'm going to delete my resource packs folder, so we're back to default. Go to games, com.mojang, resource packs. I'm just going to delete this folder. Alright. Might take a second here. Okay. So, ES File Explorer is the app that I'm using. It's free. It's on the Google Play Store. I'll have a link for that down in the description as well. I don't have an APK for that because it isn't my app, but you can get it on the Google Play Store. So, ES File Explorer, when you open it up, it takes you to your SD card directory. Actually, it probably takes you right here, but we're going to go over to our SD card directory, and we're going to go down to the games folder. So, open that up. Go to com.mojang, open up Minecraft PE, and make sure that resource packs txt file exists. I open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, you can see the top slot is blank for whatever reason. That's, telling Minecraft what texture pack we're using. So, yeah, make sure that exists. If it doesn't, open up 0.15.0 and it should make it automatically. But what it doesn't make is the resource packs folder that we need. So we're going to go back to this com.mojang folder. We're going to make a new folder. We're going to call it resource. Resource. I'm going to do an underscore packs. There we go. I'm a horrible typer. Resource packs right there. So that's where we're going to plop our files. Now you could just take the zip file and plop it in there, but 50% of the time it probably isn't going to work because it's not designed to scan and make sure the files are set up correctly. It's just going to load what it needs, and you'll see what I mean here in a second, because I'm going to take this zip file right here, faithful PE, copy it. Let's go to the, actually I don't even need to copy it. I'm just going to open it up, open it with ES-zip viewer, and okay, maybe I do have to copy it because there is no extract button. Okay, so yeah, we're just going to copy it, I guess. Copy it, go to games, com.mojang, resource packs, and paste it on in there. Open it up. There's the extract button right up there by that X. It's that one I just highlighted. Go to that, hit extract. Give it a couple seconds. And there we go. So we can delete our zip file unless you really want to keep it. And then here's where the problem is. So you can see we're in the resource packs folder right here. Inside of this faithful pack here, we have another folder, and that's where the problems are at with loading zip files, is that it needs to be set up properly. So I'm going to go back here, I'm going to open up that faithful folder, and that's where our actual texture pack is stored. So I'm going to highlight the I'm going to select the faithful folder, I'm going to cut it, going to go back to the resource packs folder right here, and paste that in. Then you can see faithful is the one we're using, so we can delete the faithful PE folder. So what it should look like is going all the way back here, go to games, com.mojang, resource packs, your texture pack, and it should open it up and look just like that. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. It should set it to default because we already ran the faithful pack before, and I didn't reset the resource packs text file. So let's see. And it's taking a little bit longer to open, so I'm assuming that's what it's doing. Play, my world. And yep, there we go. That is the faithful texture pack after you installed it yourself. Kind of a pain to do it yourself. That's why I showed the easiest way first, using Mod Locator for MCPE, but that's what you want to do if you want to, go ahead and install it yourself. Hey, whatever works for you, I guess. So that's it. That's how you install your resource packs. If you have any questions or any issues, just leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer that. I'm sure if I don't, somebody else in the community will just help out as well. There's a lot of people who like to help each other, which is awesome. I always love to see that. So yeah, just leave your comments down below if you have any issues, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.